Greetings from Sri Krishna Science Center, Patna. Today, we will talk about refraction of light through prism. Now, as we have already known that refraction of light is nothing but the bending of light as it travels inside the medium. Now, what is so different about refraction through a prism? This is called a prism. As light is incident on the side of this prism, we will observe a refracted ray from the other side. Now, what is so special about this, especially when white light is incident on this prism? Why white light? Because in principle, a white light consists of all the visible wavelengths from red, yellow, green, blue, violet. The idea is, as the prism has a varying thickness of the medium, as the white light is incident on this surface, various wavelengths of the light, of the white light, will travel different lengths, thereby splitting into different colors. So here, to show the refraction of light through the prism, we are using a white light source here, as we have shown before. A prism is kept on this mount, and to magnify the image, the refracted image, we use a magnifying glass here. So we will be viewing the magnified image through this. Now here, as we have seen in this image, we have now obtained the magnified image of the spectrum, which is coming from the white light, gets refracted by the prism, and then resolved into its constituent wavelengths, starting from red, yellow, green, blue, and violet. And this phenomenon, to be specific, it is called as the dispersion of light, because different wavelengths of the light that comprises the white light, each wavelength travels at a different speed inside the medium. So this medium that causes the white light to resolve into the constituent wavelengths, they are called as dispersive medium, and this phenomenon is called dispersion. Now, one may ask why there is no dispersion in the glass slab but in the prism. This is because in the glass slab there is an equal thickness, the edges are parallel to each other. That is the reason why each of the wavelength travels at the same velocity. They traverse through the equal thickness of the medium. Hence, there is no splitting of the respective wavelengths. Thank you.